Students, today's topic is HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language. The language which is used to make web pages. This language is used to write down the web pages, write down the HTML programs. HTML is language to describes web page. When you save the HTML file, it will be your web page. And HTML document can be text and HTML tags. Means you can use that text and HTML tags. HTML documents are called the web pages. Means HTML documents, you can say the HTML document as a web page, because when you will save your document, it will be a web page, and the extension of your HTML document will be .html or .html, by which you can identify that this is an HTML file, this is a web page file. Now your HTML document can be open in any computers. It can be desktop, laptop, or even your mobile. The features of HTML. HTML is not case sensitive. Means HTML, in HTML language, you can write the uppercase and the lowercase letters. Means in capital letters and in small letters. You can use both. Space and tabs can be used anywhere. Spaces and tabs can be used anywhere. Means if you have given two spaces, hardly matters, but your program must be correct. HTML documents is written in the text editors. For example, you can write your HTML programs in Notepad, WordPad, MS Word, and Writer. HTML document, when you will save your document, the extension of the file will be .html or .htm. Extension means it will identify your document that this is an HTML document, this is a web page document. After the HTML elements, tags and elements often used to describe the same thing. Tags and elements use the same things, same purpose will solve by the both. Then each tag gives a specific instruction. Means each and every tag have its specific function, specific task which has to perform while writing a program, and that function, that tag must be within the angular brackets, and tags must be, when you will write the tag, then it may be open and closing tag. Open tag means the angular bracket begin and angular bracket close, but with the slash. And uppercase and the lowercase letter can be written in your tags. HTML tags. There are two types of the tags. First is a container tag, and second is empty tag with a blank tag. Tags that both starting and the end of the are known as the container tag, which contains your program, which contains something that will begin and end. Means begin with the bracket, angular brackets, and closing with the angular bracket with slash. For example, HTML means starting tag. This is the starting tag, and slash HTML means this is the end of the tag. Empty tag means the blank tag. There is no need to close them. Means empty tag don't need to close them. For example, BR. Then this web browser. The purpose of web browser is to display the web pages. Means web pages. Web browser will display the web pages on your computer, on desktop, laptop, or on your mobile. In your mobile there is also a web browser. You can web browsers test or your work. When, for example, you have written your HTML program, you have completed your program, you can run that program in your web browsers to check your program is right or wrong. To debug your program. Browser and display content of the HTML page. Means the browser only display the content of your HTML pages. Means tags and other things will not be shown. Only the content of your page will be shown on your web page. There are so many web browsers. For example, Internet Explorer, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Opera Mini. Steps for creating web pages. Now, remember the steps. When you are creating developing a web page, you want to make a web page, then first of all, plan your web page regarding your information, which information you want to share with the whole world. So first of all, you have to plan your web page, which type of page you want to display. Then gather the information. When you will decide the plan of your web page, then gather the information according to that and related to that. Means if you are developing some page, gather information relating to that information, and after that organize information. Then you have to bifurcate the information according to your web page, because you have to divide it your information separately. Then enter text. After that, enter the text. Then add images. Wherever you want to add images, first of all you have to decide which image you want to input, on your web page. After that, after that you have to collect all images and insert the images according to your plan, according to your web page. That must be related to that page. Then add hyperlink. If you want to get some information from the other website, then use the hyperlinks. Or you have stored some documents which you want to share with others through your website, then you have to hyperlink that, so that when someone click on that hyperlink will get active. After that, last step is publishing web page. And after that is you will publish your web page. When you will publish your web page, that will be visible throughout the world. Now, this is the end of your program. This is the end of your slide. So today's topic. Now stay happy, healthy, and strong. Thank you.